Hey guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. So glad that you guys are back. If you haven't gotten a chance to do so already, definitely hit that subscribe button to become part of our home decor family. And if you are already subscribed, welcome back. Also, don't forget to take a moment to check out some of our older videos that you are sure to love. But let's hop right into today's video, guys. In today's video, let's take a look at pastel home decor. So I know when I mentioned pastel home decor, you're probably like, wait, what? We are grown. We are not little girls or little boys. We do not have pastel home decor. But you can. Pastel home decor is not just for kids under 8 and the Danish. There is a subsector of the Danish home decor that uses a lot of pastels, but that's a different video. Anyway, so I wanted to show you this really trendy yet beautiful and somewhat timeless style of decorating your home. Of course, this is using pastels. Pastel rooms are the perfect way that you can incorporate happy hues anywhere in your home. Add some pep to your prep space. This Atlanta home features a bright pink front door and then goes on to only get more whimsical, exemplified by this sunny kitchen. Even the most reluctant of cooks would feel right at home in this zingy little space. Now, if you are not sure if you want to go all the way pastel or not, this room is perfect for you. It still features a lot of neutral colors and the white walls, and just has pastels as mainly accent colors. Very easy to add, very easy to take away. Of course, you can also use pastels to brighten up your home office. A lot of people think of a home office and imagine traditional wood furniture and tall bookcases, but if that isn't your style, you do you. Go bold with a bright pastel pink couch. The perfect space to host friends for a movie night or cocktails. Even if you can't paint the walls, the right furniture and accent pieces will work wonders in terms of adding color to a space. If the thought of getting a pastel pink sofa is giving you a small panic attack, it's okay, it's okay. How about you just choose a neutral sofa and load it up with tons of pastel throw pillows. Don't think your pastel home decor is just for your living room or your bedroom. Your dining area can be a great place to express yourself as well. Metallics are known for being just a bit cool, but this room shows when you pair them with beautiful pastels, it warms it up instantly. But if you own your own home and the thought of getting pastel furniture is just too trendy for you, what about you keep the furniture you have and go for a nice pastel paint? Now, when most people hear pastels, they think of soft pink and a soft yellow, maybe a purple, but they always forget about baby blue. Blue is a great transition color if you aren't sure if you want to do the pastel look yet, because it still looks elegant and chic. I don't know why, but this room is so precious to me. It reminds me of my grandmother in the sweetest way possible. Here's another one of those gorgeous baby blue rooms. Brighten up your bedding. Don't be afraid to mix and match different hues within the pastel family. Light pinks, yellows, and greens can all complement one another wonderfully. Even though you're primarily working with pastels, don't be afraid to add other elements in there. This room wonderfully pairs different elements of wood in with the pastels, and it makes for a gorgeous combination. So as always, friends, please take a moment and comment your favorite room so far in the video down below. I would love to hear it. I've given you a ton of inspiration and examples, and I'm just curious which one is your favorite. I will show you mine right now. Alrighty guys, so as always, I have already asked you to comment your favorite pastel room down below. If you want to see mine, it is this beauty right here. I love this sofa. I love the texture of the sofa, the coordinating chair, the splashes of pastel color. I just think this room is perfect. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.